Hello. How are you? This is Els Company from Bemis Crafty Corner. And today we are going to be talking about this item here. This is Crazy Art Glitter Colors, medium bullet tip. It says it writes on dark or light paper. And these are, they're like $5 at the Hobby Lobby. So let's go ahead and open them up. Okay, and let's get them out. Alright, I like presentation. They look nice. It's a nice rainbow. 6 colors in the pack here, obviously. Green, blue, red, orange, yellow, and purple. And it says that they write on light or dark cardstock. So I have some scrap piece of light colored cardstock here. So let's go ahead and let's give it a test. Now, you don't have to do the pouncy thing with these. You know, you don't have to beat up. Looks like the ink is already there, and I can see quite a bit of glitter. So, yeah, there's quite a bit of glitter there. More at the beginning than at the end. And this one, we're just going to kind of try them all. Now the glitter is silver. It's not like a glitter that matches the ink color. It's like a general silver. So at first it will discolor the ink a little bit, so you can see here on the yellow where it deposited a lot of glitter. Same thing on the red, but it does have a pretty even amount of glitter throughout once you get started. If you go over the same spot too many times, it digs into the paper. Let's take a look at a piece of dark cardstock, because it says, you know, light or dark. Okay, so the glitter shows up, but to be honest, the color is not so great on dark colored cardstock. I mean, the color is there. I can see the color, but it's not fantastic. So, yeah. So I would probably say more like for light to medium colored cardstocks. All right, so let's do these on our regular scale. And get out the pen. Doom, doom, doom. All right, the pen of doom. Function, does it do what it says on a scale of 1 to 5? Well, it does color on light, but I'm not real good on the dark, so we're going to give it... let's give it a 3, because it sort of does it. Ease of use, are they easy to use? Yes, they are. They're, you don't have to do the tapping thing. You don't have to wait for anything. The glitter comes out automatically. The color comes out automatically. Ease of use, it's a 5. And value, is it worth the money? Well, like I said, it's about $5 for 6 markers. Not a fantastic price, but if you get it on sale, it would be okay. So we're going to go 4. So that's a 12. Overall, so this is a 4. So, you know, 1 being no, 2 being yeah, 3 being I don't really care either way. 4 is kind of a yeah, it's great, it's good, but it's not great, you know. So it is good. It's a solid number 4 on this one. That's all I got for you today, guys. Listen, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and you know, then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. Until the next time, stay safe. Bye-bye.